I'm Renzo Sebastian Berha, BSBA FM2, and this is my recorded speech. Happiness is essential for a meaningful and fulfilling life. It shapes how we view the world, interact with others, and handle challenges. While struggles are part of life, happiness helps us stay positive and resilient. More than just a feeling, it improves health, strengthens relationships, and leads to success. Happiness has a direct impact on both mental and physical health. Happy people experience lower stress, stronger immune system, and a reduced risk of illness. A positive mindset also promotes healthy habits like exercise, good sleep, and balanced eating, leading to a better quality of life. Being happy helps build strong and meaningful relationships. Happy individuals are more understanding, kind, and supportive, which improves communication and reduces conflicts. Happiness is also spread to others, creating a more positive and connected environment. A positive attitude boosts motivations and productivity, helping individuals achieve their goals. Happy people are more confident, creative, and focused, leading to success in both personal and professional life. In the workplace, happiness is increased job satisfaction and efficiency. Happiness is a key to a healthy and strong and successful life. It enhances well-being, strengthens relationships, and promotes achievements by choosing positive and gratitude. We can create a life with joy and purpose. A happy life not only benefits us but also spread positivity to others. Thank you.